What are the ideal rep ranges for training different muscle fiber types? Have you ever wondered how athletes train their muscles to perform at their best? One key factor is understanding muscle fiber types and how they respond to different training methods. Let's break down the ideal rep ranges for training these fibers and how this knowledge can shape a career in strength and conditioning. Muscle fibers can be divided into two main types: Type I, known as slow-twitch fibers, and Type II, known as fast-twitch fibers. Each type has unique characteristics that influence how they should be trained. Type I fibers are designed for endurance. They are more resistant to fatigue and are primarily used during activities that requiring sustained effort. To effectively train these fibers, you should aim for higher repetition ranges. This typically means performing more than 8 repetitions per set, often in the range of 12 to 20 or even more. Using lighter weights with these higher reps helps enhance muscular endurance, making it ideal for athletes involved in sports like distance running or cycling. On the other hand, Type II fibers are all about power and strength. These fibers generate more force but fatigue more quickly. To train Type II fibers effectively, focus on lower repetition ranges, usually fewer than 8 reps per set. This means using heavier weights and performing 1 to 6 repetitions. Fast, explosive movements with moderate to heavy loads are also effective for targeting these fibers. This training is perfect for athletes in sports that requiring quick bursts of strength, like sprinting or weightlifting. For those looking to increase muscle size or hypertrophy, a moderate rep range of 6 to 12 reps is often the most effective. This range strikes a balance between mechanical tension and metabolic stress, stimulating both slow-twitch and fast-twitch fibers. Bodybuilders and athletes aiming for muscle growth frequently use this rep range with a focus on progressive overload. In practical terms, athletes should tailor their training based on their sport-specific demands and their individual muscle fiber composition. Strength and conditioning professionals often recommend a varied approach. This includes low reps with heavy weights for strength, moderate reps for hypertrophy, and high reps for endurance. For example, a sprinter may focus more on low-rep, high-intensity training to engage fast-twitch fibers. In contrast, a marathon runner would emphasize high-rep, lighter-weight training to develop slow-twitch fibers. Coaches and trainers in sports careers need to assess athletes' needs and design programs that strategically incorporate these different rep ranges. To summarize, the ideal rep ranges align with muscle fiber types as follows. For slow-twitch fibers, focus on high reps, typically above 8, with lighter weights for endurance. For fast-twitch fibers, aim for low reps, generally 1 to 6, using heavier weights for strength and power. For muscle growth, a moderate rep range of 6 to 12 can stimulate both fiber types effectively. Using a combination of these rep ranges within a training cycle can maximize overall muscle development and performance, which is essential knowledge for anyone pursuing a career in strength and conditioning in sports.